Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a fascinating and thought-provoking topic. Can artificial intelligence have a sense of justice or empathy? This is a complex and controversial question, and we'll explore different perspectives on this matter. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started. Definition of justice and empathy. Before we delve into whether AI can have a sense of justice or empathy, let's define these terms. Justice refers to the fair and equitable treatment of individuals, while empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Can AI have a sense of justice? Some argue that AI can have a sense of justice as it can be programmed to follow ethical and moral principles. However, others argue that justice is a subjective concept that requires human values and judgment. We'll explore both sides of this argument. Objectivity and consistency. Due to its algorithmic nature, an AI can potentially ensure a high level of objectivity and consistency in the application of rules and principles. Unlike humans, who can be influenced by emotions, personal biases, and cognitive distortions, AI makes decisions based on underlying data and algorithms. This allows for just decisions that are independent of personal inclinations or cultural backgrounds, as long as the AI is trained on fair and balanced data. Ability to analyze large amounts of data. Artificial intelligence can process vast amounts of data and information quickly and efficiently. This capability enables AI to consider all relevant factors and circumstances when assessing a situation and making an informed decision. This can lead to greater accuracy and fairness in evaluating cases and applying principles of justice. By considering a wide range of information, AI can adopt a more comprehensive perspective and make fairer decisions than a human who may not be able to take into account all relevant information due to limited time, resources, or cognitive abilities. Examples of AI injustice. AI systems have been criticized for perpetuating biases and discrimination, such as facial recognition software that fails to recognize certain ethnic groups or hiring algorithms that favor one gender over another. These examples raise concerns about the limitations of AI in understanding and applying justice. Racial bias in facial recognition technology. In recent years, there have been numerous reports and studies showing that facial recognition AI systems have demonstrated racial bias, disproportionately misidentifying people of color, particularly black individuals. This has led to false arrests, misidentifications, and other injustices. One example of this is the case of Robert Williams, a black man in Michigan who was wrongly arrested in 2020 due to a flawed facial recognition match. These biases in facial recognition technology often arise because the training data used to develop the algorithms is predominantly composed of lighter-skinned individuals, leading the AI to perform poorly when identifying people with darker skin tones. Gender bias in hiring algorithms. AI-based hiring tools have been found to exhibit gender bias, leading to unfair treatment of applications based on their gender. In 2018, it was reported that Amazon had to abandon an AI recruiting tool because it was biased against female candidates. The AI system was trained on resumes submitted to the company over a 10-year period, during which time the majority of applicants were male. As a result, the AI learned to favor male applicants and penalize resumes that included references to women, such as attendance at all women's colleagues or participation in women's organizations. This example illustrates how AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate and exacerbate existing biases if their training data is not carefully curated and balanced. Can AI have empathy? Empathy is a complex human emotion that involves not only recognizing the emotions of others but also feeling them. Some argue that AI can simulate empathy through natural language processing and facial recognition technology. However, others argue that true empathy requires a level of consciousness that AI currently lacks. Natural language understanding and sentiment analysis. AI systems, especially those employing natural language processing (NLP) techniques, can be designed to understand and interpret human emotions through text and speech analysis. Sentiment analysis allows AI to detect the underlying emotions in written or spoken language, such as happiness, sadness, anger, or fear. By understanding the emotional context, AI can respond in a more empathetic manner, providing personalized support, recommendations, or comfort in a way that acknowledges the user's emotional state. While this does not equate to AI experiencing emotions as humans do, it demonstrates an ability to recognize and respond to emotions in a seemingly empathetic manner. Examples of AI empathy. There are examples of AI systems that appear to display empathy, such as robots that provide emotional support to patients or chatbots that offer mental health advice. However, this question remains whether these are genuine displays of empathy or simply programmed responses. Emotion detection in therapy chatbots. AI-based therapy chatbots like Robot or Tess are designed to provide users with emotional support and personalized advice. These chatbots utilize NLP techniques and sentiment analysis to recognize and address users' emotions from text or voice inputs. By understanding the user's emotional state, the chatbot can respond empathetically, address arising concerns, and suggest helpful advice or exercises tailored to the individual's needs. Ethical implications of AI justice and empathy. As AI becomes more advanced, the question of whether it can have a sense of justice or empathy raises important ethical implications. These include concerns about the implications of relying on AI to make decisions that have significant impacts on human lives and the need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed ethically and responsibly. In conclusion, the question of whether AI can have a sense of justice or empathy is complex and multifaceted. While some argue that AI can simulate these qualities, others argue that they require human consciousness and values. The ethical implications of AI justice and empathy are significant and require careful consideration as we continue to develop and deploy AI in various domains. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this.